Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the top table border style in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show change the top table border style. Now, firstly select from a insert menu option, then click for table option. Now choose a row and columns, that is. Then this is your table. Then change the top table border. Now firstly select from all table option, then click for a going to the line color option. Now click for black color and click for edit option, then click for 6pt. Now click for border option, then click for a top border, that is. Then you show change the top border table style. Now again top border in change color. Now going to the line color option, then any choose color and click for a border option, then click for a top border, that is. Then you show change the top table border style in Publisher document. Is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.